What's happening? What's happening? What's happening, y'all? What's going on? Let me pin this comment and we gonna get right into it. I see y'all up in here. I see y'all up in here with the comments already. Pin comment. The comment is pinned. Go to YouTube. What's going on? What's going on? What Red talk about? Tucker. What's up, Ramon? What's going on, Ramon? Yo. Looking for Lil Timmy Rogers again. Lil Timmy Rogers ain't even been here in a minute, man. What's going on here to learn the show? What's going on, Michelle Tucker? What's up, Michelle Tucker? What up, Red? Let's get into it, man. Y'all put something in the chat so I can see who up in here. If you on IG, pull up on YouTube. I'm all over the place. I'm all over the place right now. Let's get to it, man. Let's just go ahead and get into it since I can't focus right now. For anybody pulling up on the replay or anybody pulling up that's new to the Spider Game, my name is Timothy Lee Rogers Sr. Y'all know what I do, man, by now. Y'all know what I do by now. I get on Al Gore's internet every day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time and 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time and just talk about the price action, talk about the stock market. I try to share with people what a day trader would do. Everybody want to be a trader. Trading is being a full-time trader, dude. That's popular right now. So what I decided to do, I decided to get on Al Gore's internet right here and just walk people through what a trader would do on a daily basis for the free 99. I don't charge for it. You know what I'm saying? I done shared everything I got to share in my chrome dome, in my cranium, in my brain piece, if you will. Now that I done shared all of that, man, I just get on here every day and show you what a day trader would do when looking at the price action. I trade the SPY. I'm primarily an options swing trader. But I look at the price action every single day because I love this. I love this. Do me a favor. I do it for the free 99. So only thing I ask for you to do is click the like button. I think it's like right around here somewhere in this vicinity. Click the like button. That tells YouTube you like it and it shares it with other people. Click the share button. It's right over here somewhere and share it with a cousin you like and a cousin you don't like so everybody can get this information for the free 99, man. What's up? Who up in here? Who up in here? Oh yeah, and you can go buy merch too if you want to buy some merch. Spider Gang, the new TLR.com. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Who in here? What's up, Tasha? What's going on, NS? What's up, Dan Brown? I don't remember seeing that name. If you've been here before, I jalapies, but I don't remember seeing the name. What's up, Lalita? What's up, SJ? Hey, Kareem. What's going on, Kareem? Y'all see how I rolled that on R? I can't roll it for you, Tranisha. I can't roll it for you. You got an R in there, but I can't. It ain't. Tareen, it ain't that. It's Tranisha. I can't roll it. What's up, Otis? What's going on? What's up, Sanjay? What's happening, Sanjay? Sanjay, you never told me if you was a male or a female. What's up, Sanjay? My son used to go to school with a kid named Sanjay. That boy was so bad. Man, that boy was so bad. My son used to sneak and try to be friends with him at school because he was so bad. I say, don't never play with that boy again. This way he was in like the first grade. What's up, Mendez? What's going on, Stacks? You like Chick-fil-A sauce yet, Stacks? Watching from a Zoom call. What up? Well, go on to your Zoom call then. Me up in here talking about from a Zoom. Go on to your Zoom call. What's up, Tasha? What's going on, 100? Shout out 100, man. 100. 100 said he was done before the That what's up? All right, Sanjay. You're a brother with an Indian name. Fadio. What's going on, Fadio? What's happening? You say I still said no? I still said wrong? I thought you said okay. I'm gonna keep saying it wrong then. What's going on? Cool it now. You better cool it now. What's going on? Cool it. What's up, Roy Sean? What up? What's up, T Baker? What's going on? Hey, man, I appreciate y'all for pulling up with the old man. Let's pull up the screen. Why is this still on here? Get out of there. What's going on, T. Baker? Hey, let's pull up the screen. Let's get to the price action today. I ain't even going to hold y'all. Today, I got left at the bus stop. And then, after I got left at the bus stop, I marked out another spot. I was like, I'm going to come back this afternoon to see if we come back here. And I fell asleep. I woke up by 3:30. Jumped up, came in here, had to went right back to my spot. I tried to short this morning and got left at the bus stop. What am I looking? Get out of the way, internet. Yeah, there you go. See right here at this little yellow box right here? Let's go back. For any of the cousins that weren't here this morning, we ain't do nothing overnight but just consolidate. Boop, that was the overnight price action in a nutshell. All we did was consolidate all night long. All night long. Consolidated. All night. Consolidated. That's all we did all night. That was the overnight price action we talked about this morning. This morning, we was looking at, you could tell I ain't really marked nothing to the upside because I was extremely bearish on the day. I remember that morning I was like, I ain't gonna bother marking this, but if we close above the midnight open, then I'll be looking for some reasons to buy up. You know what I'm saying? I was extremely bearish on the day, just because the way we've been trading. I said I think the market trying to get to this low and maybe push down. You know what I'm saying? I was like, this is where I think the market trying to go here. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't expect the market to come all the way down here to this daily fair value gap, right? I ain't expected to come down here. I just thought it was trying to get to this low right here. That's all I thought. I ain't gonna hold you. But what I was trying to do, right? What I was trying to do once we got down here and got a closure below this low right here, y'all know how I trade, man. Y'all know I wait for me to get me a good closure on a 60-minute or a 15-minute before above or below a liquidity spot that I'm looking at. Then I go in and I map out my entry. Once I get it, I be laying there. I be laying there with my sniper rifle. I'm laying there like this right here. I'm waiting. I'm looking at you. I see you. And then we get the closure. Once we get the closure, I start getting my scope right. Go in looking for my entry. Okay, I found my entry point. Then when the price come back to it, pushing them off me like That's how I do it, man. But right here, I got a right here on this 1030 candle, we got a 15-minute closure below the liquidity line I was looking at. And for anybody who, you know what I'm saying, don't understand, I use my daily lows and highs as liquidity lines, or I mark out other swing lows and swing highs with either a red line or a green line saying sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity. As you can see, I was very bearish today because the only buy side liquidity line I got on there is the one that we put on there yesterday, I think. But we got the closure below here, and so I dropped down to a 5-minute. We got the 15-minute closure right here on this. So I dropped down to a 5-minute candle after we got that closure, right? After we got that 15-minute closure down here, right there, we got the 15-minute closure there. When I dropped down to the 5-minute candle, I said, ooh, la la, we got a breaking structure right there on the 5-minute after we wicked up off this liquidity. That looks very good to me. We got a breaking structure right there, and then we got us a fair value gap within the discount of the move. Okay, right? So I marked out that 5-minute fair value gap right there. That's why it's yellow. And I just sat here patiently waiting, right? We got it up under this liquidity that I was watching. We got it up under this liquidity that I was watching. Boom, right? So we got the breaking structure here. It's below the liquidity I was watching. Both of them, it's a stone's throw away, so I'm just kind of lumping them together. And we got the fair value gap in the discount of the move. I'm sitting here patiently waiting. 11 o'clock. I'm looking at my watch. Man, I got to go pick up Timothy at 11:30, 11 o'clock. 11:05. Oh, here we go. I start pushing back down. I said, oh, it's going to come back up to me. God dog it, I got to go get Timothy. left me at the bus stop. I didn't bother chasing it. I'm like, it's gonna come back. So once we got like around here in this area right here, I want to say it was like this 11:10, 11:15, somewhere around there. I was like, I got to go get Timothy, right? So I left to go get Timothy, and as you see, right, this was the entry I was waiting for right there. It didn't come back and get me. It stopped just short of the sell side liquidity. I didn't even go lower to see why it stopped. It didn't come get me. We can go lower in a second once I explain the one I fell asleep on. So once I came back from picking up Timothy, we was like way down here somewhere because I picked him up at like 11:30 or so, 11:45. Once we got back home, we was like way down here inside this daily fair value gap. I said, Charlie, I got left at the bus stop up there. That would have been a mean little trade. Right? That would have been a mean little trade. I wasn't trying to trade the MBS. I was trying to get some puts. I was trying to buy puts. I know I said I'm gonna be trading the MES more frequently or more often, but I got to get my head wrapped around trying to be a real day trader. And I ain't in that mind space. I'm a trade it, but I ain't in the right mind space, man. But I was gonna try to get me some puts. You know what I'm saying? Because the puts give me a little bit more leeway on my, you know what I'm saying, preciseness. I don't got to be as precise with the puts. With the futures, I got to be spot on precise, right? And so I didn't get picked up there. So I marked this out because when I came back, I saw that we had came down and we had hit this fair value gap and we pushed down real hard, right? This was the entry I wanted. I didn't get it. If I would have been here, I could have got this as a secondary entry, but I wasn't here on what this is, this 11:20 candle. I wasn't here, right? So when I saw, I'm like, okay, we came down, we went back into it, and we pretty much almost filled this all the way up. And then we like sold off hard, right? So I marked that fair value gap out. And I said, if we come back to that in the afternoon session, I'm selling it. You know what I'm saying? I'm selling it if we come to it in the afternoon session, right? So here we go, lunchtime. You know what I'm saying? I ain't back here. Here we go. I usually come back here around about 2:30, right? I fell asleep. I came back here. I came back here at, I want to say we was around here somewhere. So it had to be around about 3:30, 3:45. Because we was around here somewhere. Some of these green, the chart looked something like this. It was like some of these candles was getting made over here, right? So when I look back, I was like, missed that again, fell asleep. We touched it here at lunch at 1:15, which I wouldn't have been here, and we touched it here at 2:10. I might or might not have been here. Sometime I come here at 2, sometime I come in at 2:30, but either way it go, the exact spot that I wanted, I was sleeping and I missed it. The spot that I wanted here, I just got left at the bus stop. I ain't gonna hold you. I got left at the bus stop. So those was the trades that I missed today. I was bearish on the day. The only time I was looking to try to go long is if we got a closure above the midnight open, and we didn't even attempt. We didn't even attempt at the 9 right here when we opened up right here. We didn't even attempt to get up there. We poked up a little bit one time, poked up above the New York Open again, and that's it. That's the last time we poked above the New York Open on the 9:45 candle. God dog, get back over there. On the 9:45 candle. After that, it was all just a trickle down. It was all just a trickle down. Now in the aftermarket, we have went back up. We have gone back up there. You know what I'm saying? And which is really gonna tick me off. If I get left from let's look at Spalene. Let's pull up Spalene. Spalene, where you at, baby? Here I go. There she go. If I get left, right, tomorrow you better come like to dip something here and get me. If I get left right here, and it go up after the FOMC GDP, if I get left, I bet not get left. Cause when I came back here at 3:30, 3:45, I went in and I set me an order to buy me some August 390 calls if we for the price. I set it for the price on the options chain to match the bottom of this fair value gap right here, roughly match the bottom. I put in the price for where I felt like it should be if we got to the bottom of this daily fair value gap, and we did not go all the way down there. Right? I was like, yeah, we'll get us a quick little dump at the end of the day, how strong we, you know what I'm saying, coming down. We got down here to this breaking structure right here, and we started pushing back up. Let's look at our simple moving average. I switched my EMAs to SMAs on my charts because I like to look at the SMAs a little bit better than EMAs. It'd be like a slight difference. I don't know. Maybe because I'm like more of like a swing trader, so the SMAs kind of relate to me a little bit better. Like the exponential moving averages, they work better for like when you on the lower time frame scalping, you know what I'm saying? But like the SMAs, they give you like a smoother view of it, and it's from like looking at it over the more long term. They don't be a lot of difference, but you know what I'm saying? A lot of big dogs use the SMAs also. So if you're looking at where we at with our SMAs on Spylene, all we doing is still testing the 50. We testing the 50 period, right? We just testing the 50 period on Spylene. Let's look at the volume. The volume dropping off, which don't surprise me, is we got a lot going on. People waiting on the FOMC, they waiting on GDP. Ain't a whole lot of volume going on right now. So this don't surprise me. This is still very healthy movement for the market. You know what I'm saying? We ran up crazy. Over these days right here. Now we just cooling off. Like I said, we can cool off by pulling back or retracing. We can cool off by going sideways. We just cooling off right now. And we still, for all the technical SMA, EMA traders, it's like we doing a pullback, retesting the 50 period after breaking above it. Do the bulls got enough gas in the tank to take it and take it up? Do the bears got enough gas in the tank to keep taking it down? Let the market tell you that. I got my areas mapped out for where I want to go long. If these areas here fail, that's where I'm going short. That's my low-hanging fruit down here. This right here, this my first low-hanging fruit, that gap. Then that next one, that's my low-hanging fruit there. If we got enough gas to bounce up, go up, this my low-hanging fruit up here. This like another weekly high right here, I think. These relative equal highs on the daily. Right? But if this thing come down here and leave me, if I get left off this movement from today, call peep this here. From this leg right here, we came right down and dipped into a slight discount right here from this portion of the price leg right here. We came and dipped into a slight discount right into this daily fair value gap right here, and then started pushing back up a little bit. You better come back down to this potential breaker and give me my opportunity to get in, Spylene. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Let me hide these moving averages in this volume. That's all I got on the price action recap. That's all I got on Spylene saying what she better do. We'll get more in depth into it in the morning on the overnight price action. See what they did. What's up, Draco? Big Draco in the building. Shout out prolificprosperity.com. I think it is. Spylene, where you at, baby? Here I go. Hey, Doc, man, that's a lady in that Juicy video, man. She just got the little freeze curls. You remember back in the day when the females had the freeze curls? You feel me? She can't help it if she ain't toting, but she a female. What's up, Christopher? Today, it dropped it like it was hot. Yes, it did. Drop it like it hot. Yep. Dropped it like it was hot. That was good price action. I love it. What's up, Robinson? What's going on? Man, you still driving? Robinson, you've been driving ever since you pulled up on you need to be like Draco. Draco change her picture like every 2 weeks. It all be the same. She still be in the car like this. She'll go here, then 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 she'll go here. It's all the same. She be sitting in the same car seat. Sanjay, what you say? I caught some puts. Was green on the day. Second green day for me. Clap it up for Sanjay. Clap it up. Sanjay caught them puts that I missed. Clap it up for Sanjay. Sanjay caught them puts that I missed. Second green day for the week. Sanjay, if this your second green day for the week, you doing good. Because I ain't traded nothing yet this week. I tried to catch one today. I ain't trade nothing. Y'all clap it up for Sanjay. All I see is Robinson laughing. There you go here to learn the chef. What's up, Lil Hawk? What's going on? There you go here to learn the chef. Hey, wait a minute. Last week, you mentioned that the market was holding strong during bad news. Now with FOMC, GDP, you think we're going to go down? Roshan! Hey, y'all know what time it is. Roshan said, last week, I mentioned that the market was holding strong during bad news. Now, with the FOMC that's coming out tomorrow and the GDP that's coming out on Thursday, I think we going down. Roshan, let me go on. Y'all know what the lick read. Y'all already put it in the chat if you know where I'm headed. Roshan, this is for you, my guy. Oh, where is it? It moved because I changed it. It moved. Roshan. Oh, crystal ball. Roshan wants to know with the GDP and FOMC, will we go down? Roshan, the crystal ball says, I don't know. Hey, them just jokes, Roshan. Hey, we ain't got no crystal balls over here. We like to look at the narrative. We like to look at the bias. We like to look at the what the price action is saying. And then we like to make our decisions on the most high probability activity. So right now, the bias is the narrative is we ain't gonna have no recession. That's what the president said. He said it just like that. We ain't gonna have no recession. The Fed said, "Oh, we're gonna have a soft landing." That's how Jerome Powell said it. We're gonna have a soft landing. These ain't their exact words, but this the narrative they starting to push. You know what I'm saying? People like Walmart starting to come out, getting ahead of the curve. Walmart took the market down, baby. Yo Street in a Range Rover today. Walmart said, hey, look here. Y'all, I heard the Spider Gang was talking about sandbagging this morning. I'm fun to show you what sandbagging is, baby. Walmart came out about a month before they earnings. Let me go to Walmart. When Walmart earnings? Walmart don't have earnings until the 16th of August, right? Walmart came out and said, hey, look here, man, we can't move this product. We used to have Blue Magic. Now we got that stepped on. We can't move this product, man. We got to put it on sale. They said, oh, my goodness, Walmart can't move product. Going down, baby. Yo Street in the Range Rover. Everybody that's got anything to do with selling anything was going down, baby. Yo Street in the Range Rover. Walmart said, I'm getting ahead of the game, baby. I'm from the sandbag on you so that when I do come out, it ain't gonna be as bad as y'all expected. They setting the bar. That's what I'm telling you, man. Everybody lowering the bar. That's what I'm trying to say. Everybody lowering the bar so that the bad news don't hit as hard. You know what I'm saying? From the Fed to the president to the companies themselves. Apple last week, we gonna slow down our hiring. Somebody else came out before Apple and said, I can't remember who it was, we slowing down our hiring. We ain't going to be doing no hiring like that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody trying to lessen the blow so when the bad news come out, it don't seem that bad. That's the narrative right now. They trying to get us in the mind frame of, oh, it ain't as bad as I think. We ain't in no recession for real. You know what I'm saying? It's not really that bad. right? So now that's the narrative, right? Then the other part of the narrative is we already know what the Fed gonna do. We already know the Fed gonna hit us with the 7.5, the 0.75, and they said last 2 weeks ago 1% ain't even off the table, right? So they got us prepared for like these big interest rate increases. You know what I'm saying? They got us prepared for that. They got us prepared for the interest rate increases. They got us, we already know inflation high. We already know jobless claim numbers high. We already know they got us mentally prepared for all of this bad news. So when the bad news hit, we be like, oh man, that wasn't that bad. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that's the narrative. They got us in that mind frame, right? So now we blast off like crazy last week, over the last week and a half, right? So now we coming back to cool down. We come back to cool down, right? So now it's all cool for people to just keep on buying. Will they keep on buying? I don't know. We gonna see what algos do. But look, this when you look at like the price action, watch the price action, right? We broke structure here. That wasn't like the main breaking structure I was looking for. This was the one I was looking for because that's the weekly breaking structure. We broke structure there. Now we coming back for the back test. We back testing this. That held up for a couple days. Now we got to drop down and back test this one. Boom. Now we done back test that. That's holding up pretty good. If we back test the SMA, the 50 period SMA, that's holding up pretty good. You see what I'm saying? We got up above it. Now we come back and we back testing it. If they want to come down here and test the 20, that'll be cool because that'll put me right down here at my potential order block. If you look at the full scope of the candle, right there, you hit the full scope of the candle, boom, that's still within my range of wanting to get me some calls. You see what I'm saying? That's still within my range. And then boom, if we test that and we take off, it's so be it. But if that break, guess what? I'm looking to go short right here. So it don't matter which way we go. I'm just going to trade what I see. But right now, the narrative is slanting bullish. The narrative slanting bullish. And the price action is slanting bullish, right? So the end of this week is going to tell you just how bullish it is. Because peek this right here. This was Monday. This was Tuesday, right? We're coming down. Tuesday, we done made a new low. Right? We done made a new low. So if this ends up being the low of the week, let's just say this ends up being the low of the week. And hold on, I'm fun to get fancy on y'all. Hold on, let me move my keyboard out the way for a second. I'm fun to get fancy on y'all. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Y'all hold on for a second. I'm fun to get fancy. Y'all give me a minute. Oh, I probably should have opened this up. You should have asked this question so I know I needed to open that up already. Roy Sean. Hey, so peep this here. Let me put my mic right there. Hopefully y'all can still hear me good, right? Let me share my other screen. Going down, baby. Yo Street in the Range Rover. Add to the stream. Let it go. Now let me put this over here. Boom. Let me get this together here. Get myself together. All right. So here we go. Give me a screenshot. Booyah. There go the screenshot, right? So peep this here. Let's say that we change this to green. Right? Let's say we end this week green, right? So this was Monday, right? This was Tuesday. That's a real fat line. There you go. That's Monday. That's Tuesday, right? Let's say we end this week right here, right? We ain't even got to end the week up there. Let's say, all right, so that's the low. Let's say we go up here and we touch the top of that, right? We opened the week right here. That's the open of the candle, right? Let's say we go up there and we touch that, and then we push back down. Let's just say we push back down in line with this right here, right? That's the kind of weekly candle we gonna have right there. A weekly candle that started out weak and ended strong. If this end up being the low of the week and we push up, right? Even if we don't even push up that high, it took out the whole line on me. I ain't want to take out the whole line. I want to just take out a piece. Even if we don't end up that high, even if we end up right there, right? Even if we end up right there, it still started out weak and ended strong. That's still bullish price action. That still be bullish price action on the week. On the whizzle. On the whizzle. Oh, what was them stocks I was supposed to be like, yeah, crystal ball. I see y'all put the crystal ball up there. What them stocks I said I wanted to look at later. I want to what's up, Lil Hawk? I appreciate the fact that you left it here. What else y'all got? NASDAQ. You must be new here. Hey, hopefully I explained that in the way you can understand it, Rushan, for the way that little Timmy Rogers see things. And again, those just be jokes. Hey, what's up, Carl Hawkins? What's up? Good luck, Stacks. What Stacks talking about? What Stacks talking about? Just tell me when to buy. Just tell Victor. You want me to tell you when to buy, Victor? Okay, I'm gonna tell you when to buy. Buy. Okay, I'm gonna tell Victor when to buy. All right, Victor, here we go. This is what we're gonna do, Victor. We're gonna come back to this screen, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these EMAs off right here, right? I took the wrong thing off. I'm gonna take these EMAs off. Where my EMAs? That should be the EMA. Oh, they right here. There you go. I'm gonna take these EMAs off, right? So Victor, this is what you do. You want to get let me get me another screenshot. Boom. Get me a screenshot, right, Victor? Come on, man. Get big. Oh, it's already there. Okay, so what you do, you want to go up to your tools and you want to put an EMA on like what I just did. But you don't want your EMA to look like this. You don't want your EMA to look like that, Victor. Right? What you want to do, you want to go into the settings, right? And you want your EMA to come out looking just like this right here. Boom. Once your EMA look like that, right? When it comes to the EMA, if it's a red candle, sell. If it's a red candle, sell. Right? If it's a green candle, buy. That's it right there. I just gave you all the game. 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 That's it. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do to buy. That's all you got to do. Hey, look here. Oh, I forgot to put the link in the chat. I'm sorry, y'all. Didn't put the link in the chat. Hey, the link is in the chat. That's the cheat code, you feel me? The link is in the chat. If anybody want to pull up and ask anything, if anybody want to pull up and share anything that I might have missed, if anybody got any questions as far as to get out of my way, these doggone things. Yeah, that's the cheat code here to learn and share. The Draco, you like that, Draco? See that? See what I told y'all? You see Draco sitting in the car? I told you she gonna hit you with this. Then she gonna hit you with that. Then she gonna hit you with this. Then she gonna hit you with that. Hey, the link is in the chat for anybody who want to pull up and share anything. Anybody want to pull up and ask anything. I don't know everything. You feel me? I don't know everything. I just share it the way little Timmy Rogers, you know what I'm saying, hear it in his mind. Right? You like that? I just said the way little Timmy Rogers hear it in his mind. You feel me? So if you see something that I missed, pull up and we'll go through it and we'll talk about it, because trust me, it's a cousin out there that's got that same question that you might be having in your mind. So pull up and ask. Pull up and ask. What was them? I was supposed to be looking at some hold on, let's go to Ernest Whisper. Let's go to Ern, because I said I want to see how they did after they reported. Who reported? UPS, Coke, GM. Okay, GM had missed. Let's see how GM did. GM missed. I'm trying to click it on that screen. I'm looking at the screen up there. GM missed. Okay, GM missed. They went down and bounced at the end of the day. Let's see how they look. They bounced off their 20 period moving average. So GM came down, bounced off their 20 period. Right? Everything trading, still trading real technical. I ain't gonna hold you. These stocks trading real technical. They not trading per what they earnings are saying. They trading very technical. You know what I'm saying? GM missed. Let's see what GM missed. They missed on the top and the bottom, right? The surprise was like that's almost 20% less than what was expected. This was almost 4% less than what was expected. They earnings dropped by 42%. Their revenue did increase, but they still missed on the thing. But I don't know what that means for the guidance on earnings whisper. I don't know if they got it or whatever. But looking at their chart is still trading very technical. You know what I'm saying? They went up. You had a breaking structure right here. You broke structure. You came back down to this fair value gap right at the breaking structure, right at the 20 period EMA, and then started to reverse. So it's trading very technical. It's trading very technical. It's like it ain't paying attention to what's going on with the what's the name? Who else reported there I wanted to look at? UPS. Let's see what UPS did. They beat on both. UPS, they gapped way down, and then they really weak, and then they blast back off. So it's trading very technical also. They ran up, then they gapped all the way down here to this gap up. You know what I'm saying? It's like they ran up over these days, and then it gapped all the way back down to the gap up, and then it was strong throughout the day. So they beat, gap down super bad, and then took off. You see what I'm saying? It's trading like technical also. It came to this gap down and then pushed up. Only thing I would have liked to see different if I wait a minute. Did they? They almost filled that. That might be close enough for government work for the algos. The high on that is 178.48. The low on that is 178.66. That's only a few cents. So they pretty much filled that gap down and then took off to the upside. It's trading very technical again. Coke. Let's see what Coke did. Let's look at somebody that missed on something. McDonald's. This is an important one. All us fat kids like to eat McDonald's. It helped if I got on the right thing. McDonald's. All us fat kids need this right here. McDonald's and Chipotle. My kid look at McDonald's. What did McDonald's do? McDonald's missed on revenue, had a close to 4% beat on earnings. McDonald's must have said something amazing. They didn't give no guidance, but they had to say something amazing in reference to their profit margins. I'm telling you, fat people like me, Chipotle and McDonald's, my son love McDonald's and I love Chipotle. So McDonald's went ham. Slight gap down, took off and broke. Oh man, look at McDonald's. McDonald's fun to try to break out on them. McDonald's acting like it's trying to break out on them. Let's look at their moving averages. Oh, McDonald's bounced off their 200. McDonald's the 20 period just came back above the 200. The 50 period heading toward the 200. And today on earnings, they broke above this consolidation right here. Sloppy consolidation, yes, but it's still consolidation, and they broke above it and closed above it. They broke above it and closed above it. And then in post, they right in the same spot. They haven't broke this high yet, but did they get it? Hold up, what's the high right there? 259.61, and today was 259.22, so they haven't broke that high yet, but McDonald's looking like they trying to shake a little something. That's the way, I like it, okay, McDonald's doing good. That's good for us, aftermarket. Microsoft missed bad and got it low. They lowered their guidance. Missed back. They had some growth. They did have some growth. They did have some growth in revenue and earnings, but they missed on both. They like 2% down on both. They missed by 2% on both. Let's see what they look like in the aftermarket. Microsoft. Charlie, what in the haberdashery and hemoglobin is going on here? Microsoft missed by 2% and lowered their guidance. And these jokers are up 4% in the aftermarket. What in the haberdashery hemoglobin going on here? Right now, if they hold right there, if they hold right there in the morning and open in that spot in the morning, that's gonna put them back above they 50 and they 20 period moving average. Microsoft, this chart is real ugly right now. This is some real ugly price action. This is some really ugly price action. It's just been melting down with this real wide consolidation range right here. This is real ugly price action on Microsoft. I don't like this at all. I don't like it. I don't like it. Who else? Aftermarket, Google. Google missed on both. About 5% miss on earnings. Close to 2% miss on revenue. They did go up in revenue, but they still missed. They the earnings was down, baby. Yo Street in the Range Rover. How in the world you dropped 95% in earnings? That pretty much saying you lost all your money. In my mind, I don't know. Maybe I'm looking at it wrong, but negative 95% mean I lost everything. That's how I see it. But let's see what Google is doing in the aftermarket. Where is my? See, that's why I don't like putting it on the tablet, man, because I be looking down. Y'all be looking at the top of my head. Google, what in the haberdashery hemoglobin going on out here? Google is up in the aftermarket. Google up. What's that percentage? Google up 4%. What is going on, man? Bad news ain't tanking the market. That's all I can say, man. That's all. Bad news is not tanking the market. Visa hit. Oh, Chipotle. They on Chipotle. Let's see what Chipotle said. Let's see what Chipotle did. What's Chipotle? CMG? CMG. Chipotle is Charlie. But Chipotle, at least they missed on revenue. But I did see something about Chipotle. Chipotle, they missed on revenue. They beat on earnings, but Chipotle did say their sales was down, but their prices was up, so their profit margin was intact. So I understand why Chipotle is screaming like that right there in aftermarket. I did see something on that, so I understand that one. And they up almost 8% in post market. I ain't gonna hold y'all up going through this right here, man. Tomorrow we got what's tomorrow? Wednesday? What is tomorrow? Tomorrow's Wednesday. We have Shopify and Bowens before open. Spotify, I really don't care about that. Shopify, let's see how they do. With Walmart saying they taking a hit. Amazon, I think, did Amazon take a hit today? Did they get affected by Walmart news? Did Amazon get affected by Walmart news? Yeah, they down Yo Street in the Range Rover. They up in post market, but they went down to everybody that got anything to do with selling something. Walmart put through a monkey wrench on them. Who else we got in the morning? Nobody I really care about. Who we got in aftermarket? We got Facebook. Let's see how Facebook do. Snap got their face beat in. But let's see how Facebook do. Facebook down so bad. they expecting Facebook to be down 0.5% on revenue, and they expect them to be down 30% on earnings. So let's see how Facebook do. Meta, whatever you want to call them. We got Ford. We got Qualcomm. That's some tech. We got Teladoc. Qualcomm Semi. Teladoc. That's tech, I think. I don't really care about tech. Lamb Research. That's semi. Yeah, let's see how tomorrow play out, man. Today, bad news don't seem to be tanking the market. It just seems like it's really healthy price action because the market just cooling off. Everybody look like everybody trading real technical right now. Even some of the individual stocks we was looking at, everybody seem to be trading very technical right now. So the bad news is not tanking the market because the stocks are moving very technical right now. They're respecting technical ranges. And when you see stocks respecting technical ranges like that, that lets you know that the algos are in full control. The algos are in full control. When we get them crazy wicks based off of news, the algos still in control. They just using the news to get to a spot faster than they'll do through regular price action. What y'all talk about? Larry, the big bear in the building. What's going on, Larry? Let's look at Google's and Microsoft earnings. I don't be looking at all that. I just look at the numbers. I don't pull up the reports on nothing. I just look at the numbers. I ain't got time to be doing all that reading. I just look at the numbers to see if they missed or not. Because at the end of the day, I'm an algo conspiracies. And I just think the algo is going to use whatever news is going to use to get to where it want to go. I look at what you say? I'm late. I'm late on what, Kevo? Google missed too. Oh, you talking about at the earnings? Man, I was sleeping. I don't care. I don't care about earnings anyway. I just look to see what the algo is gonna use it for. Yo, click the little symbol above the word auto, select label, them high, low price labels. They will add high, low price in your chart. What in the world are you talking about, Larry? Do what? You said click the little symbol above the word auto. That's alert. Where in the world is auto at? What is man talking about? Right here? This little cog? Okay. Select labels. High, low price labels. Man, I don't, man, get out of here. Get somewhere, Larry. Wasting my time. Just to put more junk on my screen that I don't need. Pump and dump for the pre-market. It might be Ron Profits. It might be pump and dump. Might be in effect. What's up, J-Raw? What's up, Tabitha Starling? You got a famous person name. Tabitha Starling. That's a famous person name. Look like you no, I'm not pulling you up.
What's up, bro?
What's going on, man?
Why you hating on the high and low prices, man?
Hey, I hear myself. Hit the mute on your YouTube. Yeah. Don't mute yourself. Okay, I hear you now. Yeah, you good. No, hit the look on the YouTube
got you
itself.
right here. Hold on 1 second.
Yeah, hit the little speaker on the YouTube itself. Then put the screen up in case you don't know what I'm talking about. Did you find it? Okay, you good. Now talk.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Nah, look, hit that when you hit that circle, it throw the high low on your right hand axis.
Yeah, I saw it.
That way you ain't struggling with the old man eyes trying to find the high low.
Oh man, I'm gonna struggle with them old man eyes. I'm gonna struggle with them. That's the high and low for what? The day?
For whatever chart you on at that time.
Or whatever time period I'm looking at.
Yeah, so the low for the daily was 362. Your high for the day.
Oh, so it moved for like whatever candles in the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see what you're saying. You might be good for something, Larry.
Hey, I got 89 then, you know.
So whatever counters in the screen, it show you the high and low for like whatever counters are on the screen at that time.
It's her indeed.
Man, you know my ADD ain't gonna let me use that, man. Get out of here, high and low. What's been up, man? Hey, I'm tell y'all like this right here, man. This dude right here, this dude be trying to act all humble, be trying to stay in the shadows, man. This man is an amazing trader, man. This man, and see, you see, he got all that gray hair like me. When we get old, we don't care about stuff we say. We ain't got time to be saving nobody feelings. You feel me? But this man right here is an amazing trader, man. What I said? What Victor? Vic, nobody kick you out, Victor.
What Vic say?
Tell us some kick him out. Victor,
bring Vic up. Bring Mr. Bull up. Anytime that man speak, the market going bullish. He's the indicator.
Pull up, Vic. Let me get my I'm gonna put the link in the chat again. Pull up, Vic. Vic, pull up. So we can hear your Rico Suave voice. The link in the chat. Pull up, Vic.
Look, Vic got that bat phone, Tim, that he used in the back.
You know what I'm saying? Why the 87 EMA? 87. If it said 87, that's just something that somebody made up. That's something. Let me look. Let me share my screen again. I'm gonna put it on the right screen this time. Okay. You say 87 EMA. Oh, you see 87 EMA at Stacks? I don't see. You see an 87 EMA, Larry? I don't know what Stacks talk about.
EMA. That's that new strategy for $29.99.99.
I got fit. Vic said use it. Oh. I don't know. Ask Vic, man. Ask Vic. I don't know. I told Vic how to use the straight line EMA. Hey man, look here. I ain't got nothing else to talk about. 2 minutes. Oh, y'all talking about something Vic said in the chat? Coming to what meetup? What meetup Tranisha talking about, Larry?
Man, shit. Yeah, we got a little meetup this weekend, man. In Atlanta.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm about to get with y'all off camera. I don't want to incriminate myself.
Please do. I you know what I'm saying? It be your own people.
Yeah. I don't want to incriminate myself.
Yeah, just ping me. I'll let you know, man.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna 2 minutes.
Yeah. I'll get with you in a couple minutes. I'm about to get off anyway. I ain't got nothing else to talk about.
All right, my brother.
Yeah. Hey man, I appreciate y'all for pulling up with the old man. I'm about to get ready to get up out of here. I ain't got nothing else. Y'all pull up at 9 a.m. tomorrow for the overnight price action. We gonna Vic said give him 2 minutes. Oh, we gonna 187 your account. We're gonna go over the overnight price action tomorrow at 9 a.m. I appreciate y'all for pulling up, man. Like I said, my name is Timothy Lee Rogers Sr. I just like to get on Al Gore's internet and share my thoughts about the market, man. Like I said this morning, it ain't about just getting on the internet and trying to give people one trade and setup, trying to give people a magic wand. I just try to get on here and share my thoughts and the way I see the market and the way I think about the market, because I'm a trader. I'm a full-time trader. That's what they call us. You know what I'm saying? They call us full-time traders. So I just try to get on the internet and share people the way I look at things, and I hope that it'll unlock something in their brain and they can add it to their back utility belt. They can pull it out when they need it. They can lay out there with their sniper rifle and get ready to fire. You know what I'm saying? That's all I want to do, man. I want to help somebody. If y'all like what y'all heard, if y'all like what y'all saw, hit the like button, hit the share button, share it with a cousin. Don't forget the countdown to me and Christopher's birthday is on August the 6th. I'll be 50. He'll be 13. The countdown is on. Vic done pulled up. Vic, you pulled up. What's happening? Hey, Vic, you cannot Stream and drive.
Yeah, I was getting out
See,
of work. I'm on Cali time.
You must got an Android. Do you have an Android?
Might be service. I gotta get out of this area first.
What kind of phone do you have?
At AT&T. I got iPhone.
AT&T, what kind? What kind of phone is it?
It's an iPhone 12.
You see, you shouldn't have got the 12. The 12's garbage. Yeah.
I know. I want to
The
go back to
12's
my
garbage.
Samsung.
I got an iPhone. I got a 10. My little brother got the new. He got the new one, and his be like acting crazy. I can't even. He be on speakerphone. I can't even hear him. I be like, man, the new phones be acting crazy. And I'm an iPhone guy, but them new iPhone 12s, they trashola. My little brother, you can't even hear him on speakerphone, man. Hey, somebody said you got a Nokia, Vic.
Yeah, no. No, I was clowning on the 87 EMA because someone gave a super secret 72 EMA.
Oh, okay. That's what it was.
No, but yeah. I'm still kind of bullish like you, so I was just hopping on, see what you were saying.
Oh yeah, I was just about to tap out. I was about to leave, but I was like, right now, I got a bullish sentiment right now, and until I'm proven wrong. But right now, the Bears ain't showing me that they really got any more gas left in the tank. You know what I'm saying? We done had every opportunity
really
to like
down.
dump it, but we ain't really dumping. Everything just trading real technical, and it's trading technically in a bullish sentiment. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we just doing low, high, pull back 62, buy back up. That's all it's doing. And then I think Thursday when we get the GDP, they're still not going to say technically we're in a recession, even though we've been in a recession, because they still have like what 4 to 12 months to they like, oh yeah, we were in a recession. When we because like a lot of the middle class where you're affected is like your food and your energy, which they don't even report, and that's the highest on the. If you go to like the Fed and look at all the what's the highest, it's that, and that's what affects like the middle class, like the higher class or the lower class. That's what affects us because we're spending money on gas and we're spending money on food. So
Yep. So it's like we feel the effect of it, but what's technically a recession, it ain't. You know what I'm saying? It's like they already been
two negative GDPs, which
they already been prepping us. Like they've been coming out like with this is this and this is that, and we're not technically in this and we're not technically. They prepping us to take it back up for a little bit. I ain't saying we gonna just blast off forever because you know what I'm saying, like in the higher interest rate environments, then you know what I'm saying, the growth companies got to get more creative on how they can raise money. You know what I'm saying? So they got to adjust to that before they can start like growing for real. But it ain't gonna just blast off to new highs. But I feel like the Bears running out of steam right now, just based off how the market trading and how the bad news ain't just tanking nothing. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah, because they have to compress the PEs. So like if you look at everybody's PEs, it's like under 20 right now. So they're trying to keep the market kind of like almost pre-COVID, and that's kind of where we're at right now.
Mm-hmm.
Race last year, and then like if you look at everybody, and then like end of the market is 4,200, and we're at like 4,000. So I'm still expecting like one more dip, but in the short term, I'm expecting it to kind of go up, and then after earnings, they'll probably drop, still do what they've been doing, kind of like slowly going down until they kind of like that fourth quarter run.
Yeah, trim off all. I've been saying it the whole time. They just trying to trim off all the fat from after the COVID run up and all that. They trying to trim off all that fat. Once they get all that fat trimmed off, then we go, you know what I'm saying, go back. Just like, you know what I'm saying, I be telling people if you're looking at earnings, if you're looking at PEs, if you're looking at, you know what I'm saying, technicals, if you're looking at anything, if all across the board is trying to reset itself so that we can start going back up the right way.
Yep, they doing Thanos.
That's it. That's it. Just, get out of there. What, stomp the yard with the Bears? What are you Hey, Stack said if you can afford a iPhone 12, you should have AirPods.
I got AirPods. Just when I get in my car, everything, everything Bluetooth and all that.
Oh man, that's how y'all rich folk do. I get in my car, I still got an aux cord. My wife get in her car, it talk to her. Hello, Calandra. Would you like me to connect to your iPhone or your son's? Yo, man. Hey, man, I appreciate you for pulling up, man, and sharing your bullish thoughts with us. Hey, big bulls in the building. Hey, but hey, I always remember, man, I'm not a bull or a bear, I'm a beast. I appreciate you, man. Hey, drive safe. Keep your eyes on the road. I'm funny to kick you off so you can't blame me. Get gone. Hey, man, I appreciate y'all for hanging out with old man. I've been on here for over an hour, man. Y'all go ahead and hit the like button if you stayed around this long. Hit the share button. I think somebody asked something. I think I missed some. I'm going back through the chat. I don't believe everything you see. We dumping in the AM bar. He said, don't believe everything you see. We dumping in the morning. We might be dumping. It might that. Oh yeah, that was the pump and dump. Yep, that was the pump and dump. We might be dumping, but at the end of the day, I ain't a bull or a bear. I'm a beast. I just trade what I see. Just like today, I was bearish on the day. I was trying to sell. I just meant that I got left at the bus stop on one, and then I fell asleep and didn't wake up for the other one. Hey, y'all have a good evening, man. Y'all pull up in the morning at 9 o'clock for the overnight price action, and then until then, y'all enjoy your families, man. Enjoy your dinner. Give yourself a brain break. Don't think about the market no more for the rest of the night. Gone.